Hey math friends! Welcome back to your channel MSKTV. Thank you to our new subscribers, and thank you to our viewers. Let us start another exciting math question. Can you simplify this expression correctly? 60 divided by 2 divided by 15 divided by 3. Choose the answer that fits. Is it 6, 2/3, or 1/3? Take a moment to think, then answer. You have 3 seconds. Great! Some learners think the answer is 6 because they first divide 60 by 2 and get 30. Next, they divide 15 by 3 and get 5. Finally, they divide 30 by 5 and obtain 6. However, this method is not correct. Division must be done step by step from left to right, so avoid this mistake. In math, we must follow the correct order of operations, using the PEMDAS rule explained earlier in MSKTV Series 35. When we have only division and no parentheses, as in this case, we calculate from left to right. So let us simplify this expression step by step. Starting from left to right, first divide 60 by 2. That equals 30. Next, divide 30 by 15. That equals 2. Finally, divide 2 by 3. That equals 2/3. So the correct answer to our question, 60 divided by 2, divided by 15, divided by 3, is 2/3. Dear learners, keep practicing and get ready for more fun with MSKTV Learning. Thank you for subscribing and for sharing, so more learners can benefit from these lessons.